So I got this package in from Chewy. I was confused. It's rather small, and I order, enough for cats, and they're big. It came with a letter. It says, "Hi, it's National Pet Month, and we want to celebrate your bestie. We hope this memento reminds you of how much joy they bring to your life. For real, they're one of a kind. Hugs and kisses, your Chewy family." Which is beyond sweet. And I'm not quite sure what cat it is. Well, I assume it's a cat. I don't have a dog, so let's see what we have on in. Let me switch my hands. It'll be easier since I'm right-handed. Let's see. I expected it to be Bowie or something. And it's not. It's my cat, Mustachio. She passed away in September. She was 21 years old. And yeah. Thank you, Chewy. This is absolutely amazing. This is Missy. She's 21 years old right here. It's a few months before she passed. Her death was hard on a lot of us, and we miss her dearly. I love you, Missy.